Well, hi there. We're getting ready to do a carpet pickup test with the Roborock S4. This robot vacuum retails on Amazon for roughly around $400. Times you can get it on sale. And this is a laser-based navigation system. You see the small little round disc up there. Today we're going to see how well it picks up. I've got a test laid out with Captain Crunch, a quarter cup of Captain Crunch cereal, and I've laid some strategically placed cereal around corners, inside of door frames, and I'm doing a zone room cleaning here in the hallway of my house to see how well it can pick up this Captain Crunch cereal off of my carpet. This is from the company Roborock, which is a Chinese-based company. They only sell and support these on Amazon right now. It's a very impressive product that competes with some American and some other Chinese manufacturers, and sometimes double the price with the same features. Suction power is pretty impressive on here. It's been tested on Vacuum Wars site at roughly 19 CFM of power. It is on its highest suction setting right now, which is turbo mode. And again, it is running my haul here, and we're just testing to see how well it picks up debris. You can see the metal contacts on the back of it there. Those are the charging contacts. You'll see it back itself up to the dock here in a few minutes. You can also see the side brush spinning there on the front. It's a rubberized side brush that Roborock went to. The old one, the S5 model that's been out for a little over a year now, had a bristled side front brush with traditional bristles on it. This one's supposed to be less prone to tangling in cables, and I can tell you it does a really good job of not getting tangled up with hair. I've not yet had to clean any hair off of that rubberized spinning side brush. It's also supposed to help with cutting down on slinging debris on tile and hardwood floors. Check out some of my other videos where I do a timed run test of this vacuum robot here in my hallway, and also test it in its abilities to pick up on tile floor. You can also see there I have my Nido D7 vacuum robot. I have been putting this new robot from Roborock up against this robot, and I'll be doing a full comparison video.
Zone cleaning completed.
The Roborock S4 talks to you, and so right now it's making its way back to its dock, and while it's heading that direction, we'll see how well it did here on the carpet pickup test. So, here in the middle of the floor, left some down there at the very end. I left 4 along this side over here, there's 1 left. I left 4 on the corner here, there's 1 left. I left 4 in the middle area right here, and there's 1 left. I left 4 over here on this corner, and there's 2 left. I did not put these out this far, so that means those were slung probably by that side brush. I put 4 over here, and you see there's 1, 2, 3. I put 4 right here in the middle, it got all of those. I put 4 right here, it got every one of the 4 that were put right there, which is great. And I put 4 right here, but I also had several scattered. So leaving, it looks like its weakness is slinging debris with that side brush. But let's get a count and see how many it left out of a quarter cup of the Captain Crunch cereal. So we'll start on this side. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. There's like 12 pieces of cereal are left. It did a fairly good job at getting around the corners. I'm pretty impressed by that. As far as down the middle, it went over those areas. My guess is that was cereal that was slung out of the edges and the corners by the side brush. I'll probably look back at the footage and see if I can tell if that was actually what was going on, if it slung it out into the middle. I believe it is, because I believe it vacuumed over that area. Anyway, if you like this content, please give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm going to be doing a comparison video with the S4 and the Nito D7 to see how well the $800 robot from Nito stacks up against the $400 robot from Roborock. Comment below if you have an S4, if you're interested in buying one, ask me a question. I'll be happy to answer what I know. And look for the full review again coming out pretty soon. Have a good one.